What's up, guys? I'm DG.
And I'm Pia.
And together we are
DG and Pia.
We do lots of stuff,
And we love doing that stuff.
And the stuff that we're doing today is we're going to show you guys 3 easy tricks for beginners. Okay, guys? I can't do them because I am hurt, but Pia is going to be my example. She's going to be doing them. We're going to learn the tornado kick, butterfly, and aerial. Let's jump right into it. Let's go.
Woo!
Alright, before we begin with the tricks, here's a simple explanation of the difference between front side and back side. We are assuming that you already know what a round kick and a hook kick are and which legs you use for each. Now, front side is where you have your round kicking leg in front and your hook kicking leg in the back. Back side is the opposite, with your hook kicking leg in front now and your round kicking leg in the back. Now that we have that down, let's start with our first trick, the tornado kick. So you're going to start in front side with your round kicking leg in front. First, you're going to move your front leg and place it in a pivot while still keeping your eyes forward towards your target. Next, you're going to pick up your back leg and rotate 360 degrees so that you are facing forward with your hook kicking leg in a chamber. Now you're going to jump with the round kicking leg and execute a kick with that same leg as you are dropping your hook kicking leg from chamber.
Alright, so that's the tornado kick. Let's go to butterfly.
For the butterfly, we will start in a backside with our hook kicking leg in front. Now we're going to take our front leg and step towards our back. Then we're going to dip with our chest and keep our back straight to execute a V/U-shaped movement. Now you will have your body weight on your hook kicking leg and you will lift with your chest to jump with the hooking leg while also focusing on lifting your back leg to get more power. Once you are in the air, make sure to keep your legs straight and arch your back while focusing on looking up. You will land on your round kicking leg first, and you will pivot so that your other leg lands with you facing towards the front.
Now, let's move on to aerial.
You're going to start in backside and step with your front leg, same as butterfly. However, now you're going to bring your arms across your body and downwards towards your front leg. Then you're going to lift your back leg, similar to the butterfly, but now with even more power. This, along with your arms moving downward, will allow you to almost do a cartwheel with no hands. You will land with your round kicking leg and then with your hook kicking leg without a need for rotation.
Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. You guys reached it. That was awesome. You guys learned some tricks. Thank you, guys. Hit this video with a like if you liked it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys want to learn any tricks, leave it in the comments below and we'll teach you that trick. We'll see if you can do it. But thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.